Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Movado, the gully god, David Brooks. People, we are surfing internet and we are see some breaking news for Movado son. So Movado son Dante Brooks has been arrested by police. The Jamaican constabulary force have Movado son in a custody. Dante Brooks is in police custody, and we are get that one here straight. A brother we named Andre Williams will work for the Gleaner. I put some breaking news out there. Movado son get locked up. People, this is still a developing story. We don't know the full reason, and we don't know what happened for the police them lock up Movado son. We don't know if this a fake news or what, but it is all over the internet. And we know said that brother ya Andre Williams credible cause him work with the Gleaner. So tomorrow we are gonna get the full breakdown of what happened with Movado son. We are hope and no fake news. We are hope and no propaganda. But people, Andre Williams, a brother will work with the Gleaner and make we know say Movado son is now in police custody. Plus we see other people are run with the story. But tomorrow we are going to go know the full breakdown and do we research and find out what going on. So people, Movado son when him appeal, and Movado son was released after being incarcerated in a prison for over 7 years. Seeing people and Movado will take himself out of Jamaica for years. We know say Movado just touch back at Jamaica. Plus Movado have a big show for do on December 27 with CJ Milan Reggae Fest. But people, news in the streets as a Movado son get locked up. People, we don't know what going on with Movado son, but we hear Sir P talk about Dante before, and people say Sir P a informer, people say Sir P a snitch. But once Sir P get your file and your file reach by Sir P Dix, and you hear him mention you in a video, something where the police them a say, something where the street them a say, something where you involved in a. So Sir P a make you know say before 87 running pan you, before the police them running pan you, clean up your ways. Pay attention to your circle before them hurt you. Watch where you do. Walk a straight and proper line. But once your file reach Sir P, you know how we go. And Sir P been attacked by Movado son. And we been a tell Movado say, your son win him appeal. Your son bust him case. Movado son Dante need to take away himself. Last month we do a actual video for Movado son after him produce a song with Skeng, and I support the 7 and I go against the 6, score 6 bars and him friend them. And we are tell Movado son say be careful. You can't find yourself in this situation where you want the 6 camp go beef and you say 7, cause you don't know say the feds them label Squash 6 Bars as a transnational gang leader. Them label him as the boss and the leader for the G-City gang, for the 6 camp, and the street don't know say the 6 camp and the 7s them no good. Them a beef in a Trinidad and Tobago. A crazy people a get drop out. A crazy people a get dirt and we know say squash 6 boss and skeng no good. Them a beef, them a style them one another, them a diss them one another, them a tell each other fi drop location and who a go pull up and who a pull up and who. And we know say 7 man them actually a dirt man out of 6 camp and 6 man a dirt man out of 7 camp. A big war a gone in a Trinidad and Tobago, and squash say 6 and skeng say 7. Dante running produce a song for skeng, then he make a post on him Instagram. I say them can't get it and them boy they are fool and this and that, and we want Dante and tell Dante fi bill. Earlier this year, Dante get fi bus him appeal and Dante actually get free and touch road. And we are tell Movado say him need fi be a father, him need fi be a protector. He should not only be a provider, but he must be a father and not a fan of him son. Cause Movado son out here get involved in a dirting people allegedly. A crazy time the youth did a look pan in a prison. Seeing so at the end of the day, as a ghetto youth, him father have crazy money, him father have crazy resources with his Sir P come out here. Talk to Movado son. People say Sir P chat too much, and we see when Movado son get a second chance, and now we see say get caught up again. We don't know if a fake story or what, but even if it fake, the youth here need to take heed. He need to go back to school. He need to find himself up in father's house. He need to build. He need to leave the garrison alone, the garrison alone. Enough of them youth here rich, but mentally them poor. Enough of them youth here want to be known as leaders, dirters. Them want to be known as 87. They want to be known as gang leader, bad man. Enough of them youth here come from the garrison and them mother and them father rich. Like Movado have crazy money, and yet still the youth here still find himself in a certain situation. And me I tell you straight up, if he was my son and I'm me a Movado, me box him down already, me kick him down already, and if him no want listen or if him no want hear, him a go feel me wanna spend cent to get him out of trouble, cause a crazy money Movado lose to help the youth here to get out of prison. Even the system did a pre-Movado. Movado did decide say him a go sue the system, but him see the system put out a warrant for him. So Movado have to bill. Movado have to take for himself. Even after Movado son get free, Movado company internet and I make some talk, and Movado get page, and Movado have to bill, because Movado have him big house at Jamaica up in the hills and can't touch the house. One thing about the system, if you step past certain people foot or certain people have problem with you, your life I go over in a Jamaica. On you know see Vybz Kartel runway gone. You know see Vybz Kartel and his family lift up and runway, cause bad man are pre him and him get caught up in a certain things and certain family where allegedly when may cry, certain people will lose them life, they want reprisal, they want revenge. Only see Vybz Kartel take for himself and gone. Movado son a big man when can produce him daddy, get a studio, following daddy, being road manager for him father, or stand upside him father. But no, he wants to stay at Jamaica in the garrison. Movado have big house per hill for millions of dollars, swimming pool, the best life, car, money, everything. The youth name should not call for breeding some girl or some picking. The youth your name should not call upon. But Movado son name a call upon badness. So anyhow him get locked up and him get bail or them drop a case here again or what happen, Movado need to make him lift up from Jamaica, because Dante are going to put Movado in a serious trouble. And if Dante dirt the people them for real, even if him win him appeal and bust the case, the street still a go judge him. Them people that were allegedly them family get dirt a go want revenge. Them a go want reprisal. Movado son shouldn't that Jamaica at all. Movado have as much money whether you can get a visa go Canada or even America or England or some other country. Movado can even pay a girl to go married to the youth and get the youth out of Jamaica. But Dante love the badness. Some people even now say it look like the youth have a man in prison. And must him love that prison, cause them youth here get caught up in the system. Not because you come from the garrison. No mean to say you have to be a product of your environment. A whole heap of people make it out of the garrison and live a good life and never choose crime or violence. Even though Vice Cartel come from the garrison, Vice Cartel raise him youth them good. You never hear Vice Cartel youth them out here and no friggery. A business them pre. And music them pre. Even when Vice Cartel is behind bar, Vice Cartel say make sure say do what he's supposed to do as a father. Shorty do what she's supposed to do as a mother. When Vice Cartel do friggery, we beat Vice Cartel. But Vice Cartel is a good father. In spite of him missing years out and kids them life, he still make sure say them have a good life, get a good education, and never go down the road where him go down. Movado have a son where unruly. Movado have a son where bad breed. A dance ship him want pray. And me as a father believe in don't spare the rod and spoil the child. If I did my youth, me kick it down or box it down long time. And if me a talk to him and him now listen, me a go cut him off. It's either me give him piece of food, buy a house, give him, and love him out. But at the end of the day, me now go support him in a friggery, because the friggery them when him do put him daddy in a problem. Remember when him and the youth them jump off in a cassava piece and Movado go down there. A several can them beat at Movado. Movado was so scared for his life that gangster for his life have to run like a wounded dog. Broke UCN record. The man have to run go the police station, go report it. The same day Movado report it, Movado jump on a plane and left Jamaica. If Dante been incarcerated for 7 years, Movado left Jamaica about 9 to 10 years. Movado having big house in the hills and can't see house. He have to look pan the house pan the camera, pan video, a YouTube. Movado have to go pan to look pan the house, man see house and can't touch it because of the friggery and son. At the end of the day, Movado to be a father and not a fan of him son. You can't try to be no best friend with your youth them. It's supposed to be your way or the highway. If them no want to listen and them feel to say them reach the age and them a big man, allow them make them go through where them are go through. But Movado did have to take for himself. Everybody will live overseas where them never have them papers for years. Or say 5 years, them not have no visa, they not have no green card, they not have no citizenship, them can't touch back them country. Them know how we feel when something go on in Jamaica and you can't go. Remember, arrest was out for Movado. Movado lose crazy money because he couldn't do this thing. No sunfest, no show, no booking on the ground. Movado couldn't do. Movado lose out for millions because I'm son. Movado lose out for millions because him wasn't a good father. But because I'm bad breed son, him lose millions and then have to turn around and spend millions for lawyer fee. And we see how Dante bust the case and win him appeal and touch a road. We know some crazy people. Palm, Movado did have to grease. A links make Dante touch road. A crazy people, Movado have to give piece of food. Who know, allegedly. But who know, a crazy piece of food have to run. That's why Movado can't touch back Jamaica. And when Movado touch Jamaica, joy. Once, if you are coming from Montego Bay or Kingston, once you see the island, once you see the blue sea, when the plane touch down and they say, welcome to Norman Manley Airport, welcome to Donald Sangster's Airport, when you hear that plane, they touch down, when you see that plane, they fly over Jamaica, are the greatest feelings. Anytime we touch Jamaica and I left Jamaica, me always a cry, me always a shed tears. Ask anybody we travel on a regular basis or live overseas. It's a different feelings when you touch down in a Jamaica. Anybody where agree with me, tell me in the comment section. But I want the best feeling. It's when you go through custom and you reach out a door, you get your suitcase and you stand up at the front, especially at Kingston, this and you see mountain view and you look up in the hills. The first thing most people do is stop right out on the front out there, so pause and get a coconut water. Or most people got the KFC, go buy a piece of KFC. And if you're there in a Montego Bay, same way, you look up at flankers and you look up in a Montego Bay upon the hilltop and you see Montego Bay. When you fly down and you see the Caribbean Sea and you see Bourg and you see Mobile City, Canterbury, flanker, all of them places there. It's a different feeling, especially when you stop out of Scotches out there, so and you get some jerk pork or some jerk chicken with a cool red stripe are the best feeling. Or you go KFC or Mobile, go get the real Jamaican KFC. It's a different feeling. People, that video is not about food. Me just say, when you left Jamaica for years and you touch back at Jamaica are the greatest feelings. So we know how Movado feel when him touch back at Jamaica, get for seeing friend them, seeing car, seeing house, seeing dog. The night that when him sleep in a own a bed, when the man wake up and look on Kingston City and St. Andrew, the man have a video hit when him knows him own a bed, him lay down in a. Yes, him own place overseas, but Movado house them overseas or anything he have no important like the house the uptown. When he make it out of the garrison, make it uptown, make it in a music, are the greatest feeling for know say him by the bed there as a sufferer, as a struggler, what him have to do to put the house there on the hilltop are the greatest feeling when he wake up, when he sleeping at the bed there are the greatest feeling. When you go Jamaica, you get some good Jamaican food. When you take a shower at Jamaica, it's different. When you smell the fresh air at Jamaica, inhale and exhale that oxygen they breathe out by carbon dioxide. I one of the greatest feeling when you touch back at Jamaica. And me know how Movado feel. And him son take that away from him because the boy love bad company and the boy love badness. You know how much youth wish them could have left out of the garrison. You know how much youth wish Movado was them father. You know how much youth wish Benz and Range Rover and nothing to them. Movado have them thing there in a yard. Park up, and instead of the youth go uptown, the youth rather the zinc fence and the trenches where everybody a fight fi come out. Movado son want stay in a hit. Movado son rich, but in mindset poor. The youth they rather know say him lose him life as a bad man versus lose him life as a producer, Movado, manager, or a songwriter. The youth have whole heap of opportunity. You see the legacy where Bob Marley set film youth them. Bob Marley will get shot, come from Trenchtown out of the garrison and set it film youth them, and his wife them follow hit him. Woman them follow the blueprint. A whole and youth them follow the blueprint. Movado youth them no want act that way there. Enough of them youth of them daddy are artists and them no want do no song. And enough of the father them no want turn him son in a producer like Buju's son, Marcus we a producer, or Jonah Reed's son them, or a Freddie McGregor son them, the genius. Enough of them youth want be bad man. Enough of them want stay in the garrison. But breaking news, Movado son is arrested. Dante Brooks is now in police custody. Breaking news we get from Andre Williams, a brother we write for the Star. So hopefully tomorrow we check it out and can confirm it. But either way, the youth you need to learn from the video here. Plus, Serpy been a one Dante on a need to take heed. So we'll make sure and a fake story. But even if a fake story, a whole heap of gems may drop in the video here. One you can learn from. Pay attention to the circle before the circle hurt you. I'm out.